Dear students, welcome back to Aditya Edukam. Aditya Edukam provides general knowledge and general studies in English and Hindi. So now we discuss about yesterday's quiz. So let us discuss about yesterday's quiz. So the first question of yesterday's quiz was, former PA Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated in which year? And the right answer is 1991. The second question was, the second edition of the Khelo India Winter Games began at. The second edition of the Khelo India Winter Games began at. And the right answer is Gulmarg. The third question was, DDT was invented by. DDT was invented by. And the right answer is Paul Muller. The fourth question was, Tansen, a great musician of his time, was in the court of. Tansen, a great musician of his time, was in the court of, and the right answer is Akbar. The last and the fifth question was, USB is which type of storage device? USB is which type of storage device? And the right answer is secondary storage device. So students, this is all for yesterday's quiz. Now we will discuss about today's session. So let us start the today's session. So the first question of today's session is, which of the following is not a storage device? Which of the following is not a storage device? Option A, hard disk. Option B, flash drive. Option C, CD-ROM. या option D, modem. Which of the following is not a storage device? And the right answer is option D, modem. Next we move to our question number 2. In which generation of computer was the mechanical language for programming used? In which generation of computer was the mechanical language for the programming used? Option A, first. Option B, second. Option 3, third. या option D, fourth. And the right answer is option A, first. Next we move to our question number 3. Golf player Bijay Singh belongs to which country? Golf player Bijay Singh belongs to in which country? Option A, India. Option B, UK. Option C, USA. या option D, Fiji. Golf player Bijay Singh belongs to which country? And the right answer is option D, Fiji. Next we move to our question number 4. Which among the following is the biggest public sector organization in India? Which among the following is the biggest public sector organization in India? Option A, BHEL. Option B, Railways. Option C, ONGC. या option D, NTPC. Which among the following is the biggest public sector organization in India? And the right answer is option B, Railways. Next, we move to our question number 5. The famous rock garden is located in which city? The famous rock garden is located in which city? Option A, Shimla. Option B, Chandigarh. Option C, Daman. या option D, Goa. The famous rock garden is located in which city? And here the right answer is option B, Chandigarh. Next we move to our question number 6. Which is the main source of national income of Indian government? Which is the main source of national income of Indian government? Option A, service sector. Option B, trade sector. Option C, industrial sector. या option D, agricultural sector. And the right answer is option A, service sector. Next we move to our question number 7. Hydrogen bomb is based on which principle? Hydrogen bomb is based on which principle? Option A, nuclear fission. Option B, nuclear fusion. Option C, natural radioactivity. या option D, artificial radioactivity. And the right answer is option B, nuclear fusion. Next we move to our question number 8. The first newspaper in the world was started by. The first newspaper in the world was started by. Option A, India. Option B, USA. Option C, UK. या option D, China. The first newspaper in the world was started by which country? And here the right answer is option D, China. Next, we move to our question number 9. Saraswati Samman is given annually for outstanding contribution to which field? Saraswati Samman is given annually for outstanding contribution to which field? Option A, fine arts. Option B, classical music. Option C, literature. या option D, social works. Saraswati Samman is given annually outstanding contribution of which field? And the right answer is option C, literature. Next we move to our last question, question number 10. Kalinga Prize associated with which of the following fields? Kalinga Prize associated with which of the following fields? Option A, sports. Option B, science. Option C, arts. या option D, education. And the right answer is option B, science. So student, this is all for today's sessions. Now I will ask some questions for today's quiz. So let us be participate in today's quiz, and the lucky winner will definitely get a chance to win a Samsung Tab. So start the today's quiz. The first question of today's quiz is, which was the first atomic submarine of India? Which was the first atomic submarine of India? Write your right answer in this video's comment sections and please be participate. Next we move to our question number 2. Which was the first university of India? Which was the first university of India? Next we move to our question number 3. Which was the largest site of Indus civilization? Which was the largest site of Indus civilization? Give your correct answer in this video's comment section. Next, we move to our question number 4. Which is the highest dam in India? Which is the highest dam in India? Next we move to our question number 5. Who is known